Let me show you how to set up the Keboola MCP server for use with Claude AI. First, click the Try It Now button. Then go to the Integrations section in Claude. Here we'll add a new integration. Let's name it Keboola. And for the URL, go back to Keboola and copy the link that is displayed there. Paste it into the Claude and confirm. You'll see a message that indicates a new integration has been successfully added. Now, when starting a new chat, Keboola will be listed under the available tools. We need to connect it by authorizing the account. If you have access to multiple projects in Keboola, select the one you want to work with and click the blue button at the bottom. And that's it. Everything is now set up. So let's start wipe coding.